Hey there, I'm looking to take a short trade on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I have, I posted a introduction to it, and it's a little bit of a riskier trade, but I just kind of wanted to get in on it. I like it. I'll explain why. It's been in a general downtrend, but it's also been consolidating over here on the daily chart. The stochastics are starting to pinch. MACD's pretty much flat. It's trending up, but it's very close to the zero line. Over here on the 4-hour chart, stochastics are also pinched. When we have just like these tops and bottoms here, we've got a really big range of consolidation, and it's on its way up, but it could easily turn back around. I tried to get in at a better price, but just loading up the software to get it, and I missed out on a couple of pips. It already came down a little bit, but let's see what we got. I got price topped out here at 195.26. Stochastics are at the top of the range on the hour and the 15-minute chart. We also have this bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute chart. I don't trade candlesticks on the 15-minute chart too much because they can just be serious head fakes when you have different types of institutional investors coming in with liquidity. But I do like that it did throw that, so it's kind of an evening star, and it's coming up, and it looks like it's turning around and forming a bearish engulfing candle possibly on the hourly chart as well. It looks like we got one more minute before it closes, but if it gets a convincing close, we should start to see these stochastics start to pinch and turn around, and then we could easily see on the 4-hour chart the stochastics decide to actually take the direction and come back down and fall all the way down here into like the 193 range easily. We could also just see it kind of bobble around and head back up. I'm just looking for a quick scalp on this, so I'm just going to pause the video now, and we'll see how it turns out. So it looks like price is totally turning against me. It looks like it just didn't have the oomph to go the distance. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until it breaks above this previous swing high right here, and if it does, I'm just going to get out of the trade. But it's tight enough that I'm not really going to worry about it. I'm in at what I'm in 95.17. This is 95.26. I'll probably let it go up to maybe 30 before I decide. Or if it closes above this price, I'll probably get out. Or if it continues, like if it creates another candle and heads up, I'll probably get out at 95.30 and got maybe 25 pip risk in the trade. So it doesn't look good at this point. We'll see what happens. We still have some downward force, and this seems to be an erratic pair. It'll jump up and down a lot right now. Price is coming back down a couple pips. So this is a good look for me at how to take a losing trade, because really that's more important than anything. Like you're not going to be 100%. You're going to take some losses, and so to just know what a loss looks like, you have to be good with it. I'm going to go ahead and continue to pause the video, and I'll just come back to it when it's taking the direction. If it closes above that 190, not one, but just that 95.25, I'll probably get out, and then I'll wrap up the video. If not, it still could turn around. Who's to say? And yeah, more on that as it develops. So it totally looks like this trade was a blowout. I decided to put my stop loss at 95.40, just right at this previous swing high, because it's super tight to just use the previous candle. It could come up into this range, throw a hammer, and come back down. Also, from where I'm at 95.15 basically to 95.40. What's that? 20 pips, 30 pips. I think that's totally a realistic stop loss. But I'm going to go ahead and post the video. I'm just going to chalk it up to a loss, basically. If something magically does turn around, I'll post that. But that's it for now. Just an interesting look at how it can be really volatile when you're trading in a consolidation range with a volatile pair. I stated that it was a little bit more of a risky trade. It wasn't great, but I just thought that it might have some good downward pressure with this candlestick formation and stochastics on the 15 and 1 hour chart, but it looks like it didn't play out this time. So that's all for now. Good luck. See you guys soon.